everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Surbhi, and if you're watching my face for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification button for the latest updates. Now coming to this video is actually all about fashion communication. So why I'm telling you and why I'm the right person to tell you this. So hi, I am Surbhi. I am fashion communication student from NIFT Hyderabad, 2025 graduate. I have not got my degree yet, and I'm here in Gurgaon. All the way from Hyderabad I shifted to Gurgaon, and because I got campus placed here itself. So yeah, this is all about me, and let's start the video like right away. So we'll go through a sequence wise. So I have all my admit cards here, like semester 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 का भी है, but वो ज़्यादा मायने नहीं रखता है. So I'll tell you about each semester also कौन से subjects थे. Like let's talk about foundation year. This is my semester 1 का, I won't show you. Semester 1 का admit card. So oh, this is my result. Yeah. So semester 1 में क्या क्या subjects थे वो सब मैं आपको बताऊंगी. Fashion communication अगर आप लेते हो तो स्टार्टिंग से ये बेसिक आपको समझ में आएगा कि थर्ड सेमेस्टर में आप क्या पढ़ोगे, फोर्थ सेमेस्टर में आप क्या पढ़ोगे, एंड व्हाट बेसिकली इज फैशन कम्युनिकेशन, लाइक एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ इट, लाइक हाउ डू इंडस्ट्री वर्क एंड हाउ डू fashion communication people are taken into industry, like how I am working right now into industry, and what is my post and how are they supposed to get a salary and how much salary they get. So I'll tell you everything about it, and because I have known this and I wanted to share this information with all of you, because मैं जब आई थी तो मेरे लिए कोई help करने वाला नहीं था. So I am here to like tell you all this, to just clarify and be mindful of your choices when you do your counseling and when you appear for your NIFT exam. So let's start. What is fashion communications? Is it communicating fashion? Are you sure about it? Because I am working into a product-based company where there is no fashion, and majority of my friends were working into some company either in marketing agency or somewhere or any retail store also. So suppose retail store, at least we have fashion. But that paparazzi and that over this thing is not there. We work in product-based company or IT-based company. We work in these places. There is no fashion at all nowadays. We work in marketing agencies also. Most of my juniors are doing internships in marketing agencies. So there is no fashion at all. There would be clothing. There would be some or like little bit of fashion, but I don't think it's all about communicating fashion. It's about brand strategizing. It's about how you communicate your brand. So it's not only about fashion. It's about communicating everything as a brand, how you communicate, not exactly into fashion. So this is an overview of fashion communication, talking about the first year, second year, third year, fourth year, how much and what all subjects you will be studying in your college. Let's talk about foundation year first. So foundation year is 2 semesters, first semester and second semester. So ऐसे group wise segregate किए जाते हैं, कुछ लोग 40 लोग, तो ऐसे 5-6 ग्रुप्स बने होंगे फाउंडेशन ईयर में आपके. सो उसमें तो फैशन कम्युनिकेशन का है नहीं, तो पहले आप सारे डिपार्टमेंट वाले एक फाउंडेशन ईयर में पढ़ रहे होगे. उसमें अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स के लोग. अगर लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ ग्रुप 2. सो ग्रुप 2 हैज़ लाइक 10 फैशन कम्युनिकेशन पीपल, 10 फैशन डिज़ाइन पीपल. सो वहाँ पे डिपार्टमेंट का कोई ये ही नहीं है. तो वहाँ पे फाउंडेशन ईयर में आप नॉर्मल सी चीज़ें पढ़ते हो. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सब्जेक्ट्स नाउ. So foundation year, semester 1 has subjects like digital design and communication, which is DDDC. So it's basically you'll be taught Illustrator, Photoshop and all these basic softwares. Yeah, for me at least it was that. Drawing, so on a big sheet of paper you'll be drawing circles, rectangles, all the shapes and all the basic hand drawing, so that it can help you into drawing fashion illustration and fashion design afterwards and all these things, क्योंकि ड्राइंग बहुत बेसिक चीज़ है सारे डिपार्टमेंट के लिए. देन इज फैशन बेसिक्स. व्हाट इज़ फास्ट फैशन, व्हाट इज़ फैड, व्हाट इज़ सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल बी टॉट इन फैशन बेसिक्स. सो व्हाट इज़ द बेसिक ऑफ मतलब किसको ये सब बोलते हैं, लाइक ऑल दीज टर्म्स स्पेशली, नॉट अ वेरी डिटेल वर्जन ऑफ इट. Then it is geometry. So on like big sheets, 3 sheets पे आप ऐसे उसका किसी भी प्रोडक्ट का आप शेप ड्रॉ कर रहे होगे हर एक एंगल से. So that's what I was taught. So that is geometry. Then material studies. So there was this subject in which I remember I was told to make some clay something, I don't know, that is what material study as name suggests. So I think it's that only. Self and society was basically all about your good behavior and all these things. Self and society, it's not a very major subject. I didn't study it मतलब उतने अच्छे से मैंने पढ़ा नहीं. Then it is your IDM, GEM and GEO. So what is IDM, GEM and GEO? So according, like, excluding your 4 to 5 major subjects, there is 3 more subjects you can choose, which is IDM, interdisciplinary minor, GEM, and then GEO. GEM is majors, GEO is optional. I don't know the full form of GE, but GEM is majors, GEO is optional. So these 3 subjects you can choose on your own. So उसके बाद आता है GEM and GEO. So GEM, mine was critical thinking in first semester. GEO is communication. I don't remember much what I studied, but something I studied and it didn't help. Like अभी तो कुछ help आ नहीं रहा है यार fashion या फिर ये में. और communication is something, I think it was speaking skills, it was talking skills, if I think, yeah. So this was first semester. Let's talk about second semester. What will you guys be made to study? Where is second semester? Yeah. So second semester, art, design and aesthetics. This was the most interesting subject I had in second semester. So in this you will be taught kalamkari and all those patta chitra and all those art and paintings. About all those paintings you will be taught. Aesthetics are basically how you make it beautiful and all these assignments. So we were supposed to, in the final jury, we were supposed to have a installation on a theme. So installation could be like 4 to 5 people. In a group of 4 to 5 people, we were supposed to make an installation. So this was ADA, art, design and aesthetic. Then is creative thinking skills. This I don't remember, but obviously as the name suggests, it was thinking skills. Then design fundamentals, of course the method, research, design, prototype and all these steps in detail. Geometry 2, so the same geometry on all big sheets. You have to make this all, like, what is the front angle, what is the back angle, what is the up angle drawing. Then is integrated design project, IDPA. What is this IDP? I don't remember, but I feel it was something related to some group project. It was making of a brochure or something. So yeah, this is it. Then my GM for that semester was personality development and G optional was dance. So this is some of the things which NIFT also teaches you. So you have a plus point. But it's just like, if you are interested, you can go. It's like that. This was second semester and I won't tell you how much CGPA I got, but it was good only. Yeah. Now talking about third semester. So third semester, yeah. So this is my admit card. So then I went to my department, fashion communication department. All your classes will be changed. You will be given a permanent fashion communication third semester classroom. There you will sit from there itself. And जो आपने first year में friends बनाया ना, वो सब चले जाएंगे. तो मेरे भी चले गए थे. So then the subjects are. So we had a 3-day workshop, calligraphy ka. This is a major you have to do. We did. Then Indian history, art, architecture and culture for my GM, G mandatory. Indian art, history and culture were basically all about architecture and history as the name suggests. Then my G optional was basketball. So these are optionals are some of the things, curricular activities which they do usually in college. Dance ho gaya, basketball ho gaya, they have football and everything as well. So you can choose any of them. ये usually शाम में होता है, तो आप ऐसे ना plan कर पाओगे कि दिन में college किया and then शाम में जाके ऐसे खेल लिया optional के लिए, subject भी हो गया और marks भी मिल गए और आपने curricular activity कर लिया. Then my majors were like semester third का semiotics and letter form. Guys, ये बस नाम fancy है, पढ़ाया हमें कुछ extra नहीं है. ये मैं बताती हूँ, बस typography का semiotics and letter forms कर दिया. It's actually typography. So basically फाइनल जूरी में हमें एक अपना खुद का फॉन्ट बनाना था, एक एप्लीकेशन को यूज़ करके ऑनलाइन, जैसे कैनवा होता है ना, वैसे ही टिपोग्राफी का ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन था, उसको यूज़ करके बनाना था. होल क्लास वी वर नॉट थॉट एनीथिंग, लाइक नॉर्मली ऐसे ही कुछ बेसिक्स हमें बताया और हमें बोला आरसी में जाके पढ़ो, बुक्स हैं बहुत सारे. नेम फैंसी है, पढ़ाई बिल्कुल फैंसी नहीं था. Then second subject was space and materiality, props, design using crafts. So this was basically you have to take up a craft and then you have to design, I think it was I don't remember, but space and materiality, props design using craft. I think it was something about craft. I don't remember, but then third subject was fashion in print media. So fashion in print media, you have to come up with all the magazine layout and all those pages का number और वो सारा draw करना और वो सब बनाना, मतलब basically एक पूरा magazine का layout बनाना, यही था उसमें. Design methodology of for fashion, DMF. This was our fourth subject. Design methodology of fashion, it was basically मतलब ये design का जो process था ना, research, design, prototype, फाइनल डिज़ाइन, ये प्रोसेस पढ़ाना था बेसिकली. इसमें असाइनमेंट्स भी वही थे, मतलब ब्रांडिंग का ऐसे ही कुछ था. ब्रोशर बनाने थे हमें और आई थिंक पैम्पलेट्स, ये सब पोस्टर्स वगैरह बनाने थे. देन माई IDM was home accessories. So I don't know from fashion communication how I chose IDM, but it was majorly because my friends went to IDM, home accessories. So I thought IDM, I can't choose FD, AD, KD because stitching was one thing I was lacking behind into stitching. So of course IDM I choose then because of my friends also I went. Then fifth subject was photography, monument, landscape, photography, field. Yeah, so in third semester you have a field visit for photography assignments. So I went to Hampi I told you about this photography assignment you have, no? You have to go and come up with all the photographs you did in that trip. So this was one of the subjects where you can have fun as well because trip होगा तो आप बाहर जाके photography कर सकते हो. But बहुत सारे campuses लेके नहीं जाते हैं. But tell your teacher to take you. This was all about third semester. Coming to fourth semester, we have like here also 4-5 subjects. हमारा वर्कशॉप हुआ था 5 दिन का. पहला ये मेजर था कलर साइकोलॉजी, इट हैज़ टू बी देयर. देन सेकेंड वर्कशॉप वाज लेआउट एंड पब्लिकेशन डिज़ाइन. सो लेआउट एंड पब्लिकेशन डिज़ाइन इज़ बेसिकली आपका लेआउट देखना और सारा कुछ, मतलब वो जो होता है ना वो करना, मतलब लेआउट डिज़ाइन करना बेसिकली. Then my G optional was modeling, dance, modeling, basketball. Then we had this outbound for design fundamental workshop, 3-5 days. So we went to, where we went, I don't know. We went to Hidden Castle. So outbound था क्या था पता नहीं, but it was ऐसे जिंगल मिंगल वाला हमारे classmates के बीच ऐसा था. Then professional ethics and values for our GM, which is mandatory. So ethics and value, like all those social and all those things. हमारा मेजर सब्जेक्ट था होम एक्सेसरी स्केचिंग, दिस इज IDM, होम एक्सेसरी स्केचिंग एंड एसेंशियल्स. सो इन दिस वे आई थॉट कि प्रोडक्ट का स्केचिंग ऐसे करें. देन वन मोर मेजर was स्टोरी टेलिंग एंड नैरेटिव्स विच was my DS. हाँ, then IDM, including IDM, GM, GO, you have one more subject which is DS. So DS you have to choose one of the majors in which you want to do. So for us it was like fashion journalism था और एक graphics था. So I was basically into fashion journalism. मुझे लगा अच्छा होगा, but now I'm in graphics. So storytelling and narratives था जो कि ठीक ठाक था. I was not really into that. We were shown a lot of films like 1950s के ऐसे कुछ films दिखाए गए हमें. So it was good only. Then was fashion culture and costume. So fashion culture and costume was basically studying history of costumes and all those things. ज़्यादा टाइम हमारा RC विच इज़ लाइब्रेरी उसी में जाता था क्योंकि हिस्ट्री पढ़ना था. देन इज़ पब्लिकेशन डिज़ाइन. सो पब्लिकेशन डिज़ाइन इज़ बेसिकली ऑल दोज पोस्टर डिज़ाइन, ऑल दोज ब्रोशर डिज़ाइन, ऑल दोज बुक्स डिज़ाइन, ऑल दो मैगजीन डिज़ाइन. सो यू हैव टू डिज़ाइन ऑल दोज. Then is store experience design. So store experience design is basically your like the interior of all those store designs. So we were given to design an exhibition for one of the famous Italian brand which is Catalano. So we were given the software Blender, Rhino या फिर किसी AutoCAD पे कर सकते हो. तो आपको उसका पूरा इंटीरियर या फिर एक्सटीरियर डिज़ाइन करना था एग्जीबिशन का. So ये 3D सॉफ्टवेयर सिखाए जाते हैं इसमें, Rhino और ये सब. Then one more is design research, craft based case study. So एक क्राफ्ट कोई चूज़ करो और उसके हिसाब से आपको ब्रांडिंग करनी थी उस क्राफ्ट की, which was this. So this is all about fourth semester. Now coming to fifth semester. So fifth semester we had so craft research and documentation. So we went to CRD. CRD is basically you will go to some place and you'll study that craft. ये सारे campuses में होता है. So CRD is basically मतलब जाके वहाँ उनकी branding करोगे fashion communication के लिए. बाकी सब क्राफ्ट का स्टडी भी करते हैं, मतलब अगर फैशन डिज़ाइन को ले ले तो अगर कोई और क्राफ्ट है तो वो उनकी स्टडी करते हैं, उनको बनाते हैं अच्छे से और फिर उनको CRD के जूरी में दिखाते हैं. बट फॉर अस इट्स मेजरली अबाउट ब्रांडिंग और जस्ट शोइंग डॉक्यूमेंट्री ऑफ इट, लाइक हाउ craft is like initially how it was and how it is right now. So CRT वो है. Then was my G optional was historical walk. So we went all the monuments in Hyderabad to explore like class के साथ. तो मज़ा आया. मैं ज़्यादा भी गई नहीं थी but still. One more major was branding and promotion. So branding and promotion is basically a brand's का branding or rebranding. So I think you know about it because you are going into fashion communication. What is branding and rebranding of a brand? You might be seeing all those things. So basically उसको logo देना, उसको colors देना, compliment और कैसे उसका aesthetic develop करना है. It's basically that of a brand. Then other subject was UX design, sensory virtual experience design. इसमें हमें कोई software नहीं सिखाया गया. And it was majorly about store experience only. So I don't know what I studied in this. I don't even remember, but I think it was not very मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं था, तभी मुझे याद नहीं है. Then was fashion journalism and new media content, which was in DS. So यार DS पता नहीं मेरा तो उतना अच्छा गया नहीं. I hopefully तुम लोग का अच्छा जाए. Fashion journalism में मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ सीखा नहीं. New media content is basically you have to design new media like which is coming up. So films हो गया, videography हो गया. So all these things we were taught. Trend spotting and research. This was one of the subjects in which मैंने मतलब बहुत पढ़ा. मतलब our teacher was so much into educating us. So she had made us watch all the fashion shows, all the 2025 ka spring, summer, winter. Oh, sorry, what is that? Yeah, spring, summer, and resort collection is there. No, so you have to watch all the fashion shows. So it was really educative, and we watched and learned a lot in this. Then is studio photography. So in 5th semester you have the studio photography. In 4th semester you have just photography. Then in 5th semester you have studio photography. So studio photography में basically आपको strobe, how is camera, lighting and all those things you have to, how is background and all those things. According to that you have to pick up a theme and do a studio photography and just show it in your jury. So ये होता है studio photography में. 5th semester हो गया. 6th semester कहाँ गया? Let me search. Yeah. So 6th semester. So my GE optional was fitness in 6th semester. Then was hair and makeup workshop. 3 दिन का होता है. So first calligraphy workshop, then this color psychology workshop, then this hair and makeup workshop. So हर एक semester में ऐसे workshop हो रहे हैं. तो होम एक्सेसरीज IDM इसमें थोड़ा डिज़ाइन प्रोजेक्ट सिखाया गया हमें. मतलब बहुत सारा ऐसे प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें कराएगी होम एक्सेसरीज में अगर IDM है आपका तो. Then my major was in fashion communication. 6th semester was fashion styling. So fashion styling is basically knowing all about draping and all the history and how they drape all over India and how they style and all these things, colors and all those things were also taught. Then is design strategy, system thinking. So पता नहीं यार इसमें क्या सिखाएगा, I don't remember, but इसमें यही था, ब्रांडिंग सिखाएगी हमें और बेसिकली या ब्रांड को स्टडी कराएगा. Then is portfolio design. I'll tell you I have not attended a single class in my portfolio design and I don't know why, because नहीं हुआ and this is not my fault, so you can guess whose fault it is. Then is web design. So web design is basically how your icons will look in website and all those things. Website design है basically. ये भी अच्छा था. It was nice only. You have to. Then talking about 7th semester. So 7th semester. So yeah, talking about 7th semester. So 7th semester में IDM जो कि होम एक्सेसरीज था मेरा फैशन कम्युनिकेशन होते हुए, उसमें मुझे स्केचअप सिखाया गया था. स्केचअप इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर, डिजिटल प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स. सो हाउ यू विल शो योर प्रोडक्ट लाइक डिजिटली, रेंडर कैसे दिखाओगे. देन माई मेजर वॉज डिज़ाइन इनोवेशन एंड लीडरशिप. सो इट्स बेसिकली जो क्राफ्ट आपने CRD में किया था ना, उसी का मतलब हाउ यू विल रीब्रांड इट एंड ब्रांड इट एंड शो इट इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड. सो ये था डिज़ाइन इनोवेशन एंड लीडरशिप में. Then coming to AR VR and AI in retail design. So it's basically मतलब AR VR जो अभी चल रहा है तो उसके लिए आपको एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाना था और you have to put up this thing and then that thing will move like AR VR. There is an app so you can research it how it is supposed to be made. So वही बस सॉफ्टवेयर बनाना था. So this was a site from Unity. We were supposed to collaborate and work on this software. Then comes the DS. So DS was basically my मतलब ऐसे वीडियो देना था हमें एक एडवर्टाइज शूट करके. तो मैंने एडवर्टीजमेंट किया था. आई थिंक वन H&M for H&M I shot advertisement and then I gave it. Then comes one of my major is promotion and advertising. So promotion and advertising वही है, branding and all those poster and all these spam, all these design, like all into advertising. Then advanced fashion styling. So advanced fashion styling basically fashion styling का एक और मतलब उसमें और ज़्यादा कुछ सिखाया गया, बट ऐसा कुछ था नहीं ज़्यादा, सिंपली चीज़ें थोड़ी और एग्जैजरेट थी. So this was all about 7th semester. Now coming to 8th semester. So 8th semester for FC people is all about GP, graduation project. So graduation project you have to take a company and then you have to work under them. So for 4 months, which is like January, February, March and April. और उसके बीच में आपका प्लेसमेंट का ये नोटिफिकेशन आएगा एंड देन यू विल गो टू प्लेसमेंट्स एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड इफ़ यू गेट PPO देन यू गेट PPO. और बीच में एक और इंटर्नशिप होती है उसके अलावा, विच इज़ अ समर इंटर्नशिप, जो आपके 6 सेमेस्टर के जस्ट बाद होती है, 2 महीने के लिए. मतलब आपने 6 सेमेस्टर किया, 2 महीने का इंटर्नशिप, समर इंटर्नशिप किया. 7th सेमेस्टर एजुकेशन, पढ़ाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई. देन 7th सेमेस्टर के बाद 8th सेमेस्टर, मतलब 7th सेमेस्टर में आपका सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है. यू आर नॉट ऑलवेज रेगुलर टू कॉलेज. मतलब 8th सेमेस्टर आप जाओगे और सिर्फ GP करोगे. ग्रेजुएशन प्रोजेक्ट के बाद यू हैव टू कम अप विद डॉक्यूमेंट लाइक दिस. I won't show you, this is a confidential thing, I'll just show you this. This is like कि आपको कॉलेज में सबमिट करना पड़ेगा आपके जूरी के बाद. सो आप हार्ड बाउंड करा के ऐसे आप कर सकते हो. सो हमारे कॉलेज का लेआउट ये था. सो आई डिड माई GP इन विजुअल मर्चेंडाइजिंग, क्योंकि कॉलेज में आप सारी चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो, तो मैंने VM में किया था. एंड देन दिस इज़ माई होल डॉक्यूमेंट. इट्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आई थिंक 120 pages and this is this. So yeah, this is like overall college curriculum of fashion communication and IFT, and I hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.